is a function if for every input there's exactly one output. Now, relations can come in many different forms. Sometimes we'll see them as an XY chart or a table. Sometimes we'll see them as a set of ordered pairs. We may see them as an equation. We may see them as a mapping diagram or a graph. So lots of different forms for relations. Sometimes they're functions, sometimes they're not functions. Now notice that for this relation on the left, 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 4, 3 goes to 6, 4 goes to 8, 5 goes to 10, 6 goes to 12. There's no single input that goes to more than one place, so that is a function. Whereas on this one on the right, 1 goes to 2, 1 goes to 5, that is not a function. On the left, each input has exactly one output. That's a function. On the right, we see -2 going to 6. -2 also goes to 20. That's not a function. If for any single input it goes to more than one place, not a function. All your inputs are different. Each input goes to exactly one output for the one on the left, so that's a function. On the right, 1 goes to 12, 4 goes to 12, 4 also goes to 15, not a function. Number 4, for each input, there's exactly one output. 10 always goes to 2, 3 always goes to 3, 4 always goes to 8, 7 always goes to 4, and 5 always goes to 8. Notice that it's okay to have the same output twice. It's still a function if for each input there's exactly one output. Whereas on the right hand side, 5 goes to both 4 and to 7, so that makes it not a function. On the left, each input goes exactly one place. -3 always goes to 3, -2 always goes to -6, -1 always goes to 0, 0 always goes to 15, and 1 always goes to -15. That's a function. On the right, 1 goes to 0, or excuse me, -0 sometimes, or 15, so that's not a function. When it's a graph, you're going to look at doing vertical lines. If there's any single vertical line that hits it more than one place, then it's not a function. So the one on the left passes the vertical line test, it's a function. Whereas on the right, if you drew a vertical line right there, it's hitting it in more than one place, so it's not a function. On the left, anywhere you put a vertical line, it's going to hit it in at most one place, so that's a function. On the right, vertical line will hit it in more than one place, so not a function. Not a function. On the left, passes the vertical line test, so it's a function. On the right, it does not. Some of these vertical lines will hit it in more than one place, so not a function.